On this, the fifth day of Techmas, we're going to look at an amazing resource called ClassroomScreen.com. ClassroomScreen.com is free for the most part. The only other options when you upgrade is to do more customizations, but I think you'd be happy with the free version. When you go to ClassroomScreen.com, simply hit Launch Now, and your screen will turn into this beautiful canvas. Now, on this canvas, you can do many things. Change the background. I think for this purpose, we'll just leave it as it is. Well, let's just change it to a color for now. Notice down here, there's all these widgets, and they're updating these at times. There are name generators, dice, sound level. You can add media to the board, including pictures and videos, QR codes. You can draw. You can just add text boxes. You could put work symbols up here. You can put a traffic light. So it's a blank canvas on which you can add all these widgets. And I think it's cool that it kind of organizes your environment. It organizes maybe a therapy session if you can put it on the computer if you're not using it, or you can minimize the window a little bit so you have it on there. You can make 1, 2, 3 boards on there. Just for purposes of this, I'm going to just show you one example of how this can be used. I'm going to add some media to my board. And I'm going to select an image, and I'm going to pick some of these screenshots I just took. There's one. Let's do that again. These are just screenshots I have on my computer. That's 2. So again, this could be an example of organizing your classroom environment on the smartboard. So say these were the next 3 activities in your schedule. You could put them right up here on the board. Then what you could do is take the timer widget that is down here, and then you can add timers to each of these. When it's time for each one, simply start the timer, and then it's a nice visual for the students to have in the classroom. The timer you can customize in various ways, including colors and things like that. This is just one example of how Classroom Screen can be used in your classroom or session on the computer or smartboard. You could even have this side-by-side in activity as a visual reminder with timers. Or again, you can just check out the million other widgets on here. You could draw a 1, 2, 3 board. You could just have students draw. You could use it for students just to draw. Add videos. So it's just a blank canvas on which you can add and organize your environment for instruction or therapy sessions. I love it. It's free, classroomscreen.com. Use it today. I hope this was helpful, and happy Techmas.